In this video, we will see how to use the freeze pans. If you want to keep your first row as a freeze, like if you scroll down, it should not disappear. It should show always in the top. You can keep cursor anywhere. Go to the view and then freeze pans. Then click on the freeze top rows. If you will scroll, the top rows, it will keep on always in the top. Okay, now if you want to keep your column, if you want to keep freeze your first column, go to freeze and then click freeze first column. So now your first row is disappear, but your column is still here. But if you want to keep both first column and first rows, then you can keep here your cursor and then first click on freeze, then click freeze the pans. So it will keep your column and rows both. So what if you need from here, like if you need to freeze from this area and this area, keep your mouse here, and then if you have already freezed, then click on freeze first, then click freeze pan. So it will freeze from this, you can see the line, so it will freeze this area. You will keep these three rows top and this 4 column